Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell.
With all due respect, sir, I'm not a teacher.
Here we are in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trends Tech, and today I wanted to show you guys how the theater mode looks inside of the Apple Vision Pro. So right now we're looking at like the AR portion of it or whatnot, but as you guys saw from the beginning part, you could see how the theater looked a little bit. So you have some options. So you can go up here and you can either choose Mount Hood, either dark or light, or you can choose cinema. And so let's go ahead and go to cinema, which is the theater mode. And we're going to go down here and hit play. And as you can see here, here is the theater mode. So you can see your hands in front of you. If you need to move up your hands, you're fully immersed. That's the theater. You also have different angles. If I could bring this back up, we can go from the balcony. So you can choose the height and you can be at the back. Or you could be on the floor in the back. You can go to the middle. You can go to the front. And it brings you closer. Now you can't just move closer. You have to literally bring this closer to you. But you can choose these different angles. And you can choose it from up or below. And you can kind of see how that looks. So that's the theater part. Let's see what other options you have down here. You have playback speed. You have languages. I guess if you look at a trailer, you can actually screen record this. Now, if we go back out of here and we go to the regular mode, you can come up here. Let's go to Mount Hood where it's dark. And so this is where you can see out. You can see the reflections on the water to have the theater. You can still look around. You can go more immersed, fully immersed if you want to. You can see the stars and the trees around you, and you can still have this out on the lake. And if you want to, let's go back out. And then let's go up to here. And let's go to Mount Hood Light. So you guys can see how it looks when it's lighter out. And once again, you still have this area here. You can still see the reflection on the water, still see the movie, and you're basically fully immersed in this space. If you want to back off of the immersion, you can. And now you're just going to have this in front of you. If you look to the right, you'll see like the regular world and everything. But that is basically how it's supposed to look and how it's supposed to run. One of the things I did wish is that there was more environments. Right now, like I said, you just have Mount Hood, light and dark, you have cinema, and then basically what you're doing is you're choosing the different distances from how far or how close or how high you're going to sit up next to it. And all this is pretty fluid, free-flowing and whatnot. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Take it easy. Peace.